JKR അക്കാഡമിയിലേക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും ഒരിക്കൽ കൂടി സ്വാഗതം. HSST ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് പരീക്ഷയ്ക്ക് വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് തയ്യാറെടുക്കുന്ന ഉദ്യോഗാർത്ഥികൾക്ക് വേണ്ടിയിട്ടുള്ള ക്ലാസ്സുകളാണ് നടന്നുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നത്. വളരെ പ്രധാനപ്പെട്ട പ്രീവിയസ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനുകളാണ് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ക്ലാസ്സിലേക്ക് ഇറങ്ങാം. ആദ്യത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ നോക്കാം. നെക്സ്റ്റ് ആണ് സൽമാൻ റുഷ്ദീ's technique of magical realism in his novels is said to have been learned from the Latin American writers such as. Four options are there. Which one is correct? Four options are there. Which one is correct? Option A, George Luis Borges and Gabriel Garcia Marquez. Next one. Which of the following statement regarding Dryden's mock heroic poem Mag Flacon are correct? First one. The target of this satire is Richard Flacon, the prolific, untalented writer. Second one. The phrase true blue Protestant poet in the subtitle of the poem hints at the weakness of Thomas Shadwell. Third one. Dryden presents the playing right Shadwell as the son and successor of Richard Flacon. Fourth one. The poem abounds in literary allusions to Roman legend and history and Paradise Lost and the Bible. Four options are there. Option A, B, C, D. Which one is correct? Option D. 2, 3 and 4. 2, 3 and 4. Next one. The original title of Daniel Defoe's Robinson Crusoe, published in 1719, is. Four options are there. Which one is correct? Option C. The life and strange, surprising adventures of Robinson Crusoe. Next one. Who among the following novelists described his own novels as pictures of domestic life in country villages? Four options are there. Which one is correct? Option C. Jane Austen. Jane Austen. Next one. The portrait of the artist as a young man by James Joyce was first serialized in. Four options are there. Which one is correct? Option D. The Egoist. The Egoist. Next one. A serious house on serious earth it is, in whose blend air all over compulsions meet, are recognized and robed as destinies. What does Philip Larkin mean by a serious house? Four options are there. Which one is correct? Option B. The church. The church. Next one. The poem is spoken by a girl with an Electra complex. The father died while she thought he was God. Her case is complicated by the fact that her father was also a Nazi and her mother very possibly part Jewish. In the Doctor, the two strains marry and paralyze each other. She has to act out the awful little allegory once over before she is free of it. This is what the poet said about the poem. Identify the poem and the poet. Four options are there. Which one is correct? Option D. Daddy by Sylvia Plath. Option D. Next one. In which of the following novels does Sophie favors a 6-foot 2 Cockney trapeze artist who claims to be hatched from an egg and ground wings on reaching poverty appear? Four options are there. Which one is correct? Option A. Anglia Carter's night at the circus. Option A is correct. Next one. In Whiteman's poem, out of the cradle endlessly rocking, dash is shown as the one lesson a child must learn. What is it? Option A, B, C, D. Which one is correct? Option C, death. Option C is correct. Death. Next one. In Edgar Allan Poe's poem, the raven, what is the raven's response to the speaker? Four options are there. Which one is correct? Option D. Nevi Mori. Nevi Moria is correct. Next one. According to the speaker, in Maya Angelou's poem, Phenomenal Woman, where does her real beauty come from? Four options are there. Which one is correct? Option A. Her self confidence. Her self confidence. Next one. What is the color of the throne in Emperor John's? Option A, B, C, D. Which one is correct? Option D. White. What is the color of the throne in Emperor John's? White. Option D. Next one. Which symbol represents a reality in the glass machinery? Option A, B, C, D. Which one is correct? Option C. The picture of father. Which symbol represents a reality in the glass menagerie? The picture of father. Option C is correct. Next one. When was Emerson's essay Self-Reliance published? Option A, B, C, D. Which one is correct? Option C. 1841. 1841. Next one. A small man can be just as exhausted as a great man. Whose words are these? Four options are there. Which one is correct? Option D. Arthur Miller. Arthur Miller. Next one. Arrange the following novels in the chronological order. First one, The Old Man and the Sea. Second one, Moby Dick. Third one, The Scarlet Letter. Fourth one, The Bluest Eye. Option A, B, C, D. Which one is correct? Option D. 3, 2, 1, 4. 3, The Scarlet Letter. 2, Moby Dick. First one, The Old Man and the Sea. Fourth one, The Bluest Eye. Option D is correct. Next one. What do the lions symbolize in the Old Man and the Sea? Option A, B, C, D. Which one is correct? Option C. Lost youth. Lost youth. Next one. What does the title The Bluest Eye suggest? What does the title The Bluest Eye suggest? Four options are there. Which one is correct? Option C. Whiteness. Whiteness. Next one. Which of the following does not belong to the Germanic language group? Four options are there. Which one is correct? Option C. Sich. Next one. Which of these finds out how a certain set of people use language at a given time? Four options are there. Which one is correct? Option C. Synchronic linguistics. Synchronic linguistics. Option C is correct. Next one. When was course in general linguistics published? When was course in general linguistics published? Four options are there. Which one is correct? Option A. 1916. Dash is an abstract representation that identifies the ways a sentence can be analyzed and interpreted? Four options are there. Which one is correct? Option B. Deep structure. Deep structure. Next one. Choose the most suitable answer that identifies the metaphor in the sentence. Daisy's brother was a rug rat. Four options are there. Which one is correct? Option B. Daisy's brother is a little boy. Next one. The main aim of communicative language teaching is to. Four options are there. Which one is correct? Option A. Provide communicative competence to learners. Next one. The grammar translation method. The grammar translation method. Four options are there. Which one is correct? Option C. Has its major focus on reading and writing. Next one. Which of these types of reinforcement are influential in observational learning? Option A, B, C, D. Which one is correct? Option D. All of these. Next one. Remedial classes play an important role for. Four options are there. Which one is correct? Option D. Disabled ones. Next one. Who says poets are the unacknowledged legislator of the world? Four options are there. Which one is correct? Option A. Shelley. Next one. In whose opinion poetry is the most highly organized form of intellectual activity? Four options are there. Which one is correct? Option A. T.S. Eliot. Next one. Dash is a situation or event designed by the poet which symbolizes or objectifies a particular emotion to evoke the same emotion in the reader. Four options are there. Which one is correct? Option C. Objective correlative. Option C is correct.